Greetings and salutations. Welcome back to my channel. I'm your boy Jack, coming to you from the beautiful island of Jamaica. So today's video is going to be a quick one. I will be package smells so good. I hope nothing is damaged inside of it. I will be doing a unboxing of a package that I recently received from the house of Alexandria Fragrances. They had a Labor Day sale and I capitalized on it. So here the package is, and I can't wait to tell you guys what is inside. All right, so stay tuned. Get straight into the unboxing, guys. I want you to take the time out as well just to hit that subscribe button and like the video as well. All right, it would mean a lot to me if you guys do that, and it would also increase my visibility on the platform. So the package smells amazing. There are 3 stuff in here that I am eagerly excited about. Well, I have Cali Dreams, Black Sun, Green Envy, Sunny Desert. These are all some. Oh, I think these are 3 of the Louis Vuittons here. I will be looking up on those fragrances soon enough, but for the unboxing, it is strictly going to be on the full bottles that I picked up. Now, the first one I will be unraveling is going to be, I will not be smelling these fragrances, or I should. I think I'll be spraying 1 or 2 of them, not all of them, and tell you guys what I think about it quickly, all right? So the first one I pulled out is going to be Sweetest Aoud. This is Roja Dove Sweetie Aoud. This is one that I have been crazy about. I've been expecting this one long time now. Whoa. There is some leakage right here, but damn. Guys, let me know when I'm finished, I will be telling you guys what to comment down below so I can go ahead and give you guys that content. So the first one is Sweetest Aoud. The second one, and these are the 55 ml, all right? The second one is going to be, let me see, No Shade for Nomade. Fuck. Pardon my French. Shit. That one is, this is an inspiration of Louis Vuitton Ombré Nomade. Shit. Oh. Okay, honey, okay. Honey affairs, okay. And the last one is going to be Afternoon Splash. This is also a Louis. This one I'm going to spray. This is also a Louis Vuitton, and it is from Louis Vuitton Afternoon Swim. This is going to be the only one I'm spraying right now. All right. Ooh. Guys, let me save my thoughts for a comparison video on this one. But what I want you guys to do right now, other than hitting the like, subscribe, and leaving a comment down below, is let me know which fragrance from these three plus two others I'm going to name as well, which comparison video you would like to see first. So I want to do a comparison, or the options are Afternoon Splash against the original Louis Vuitton Afternoon Swim, No Shade for Nomade versus Ombré Nomade, Sweetest Aoud, wow, Sweetest Aoud versus Sweetie Aoud. There is also another one, Aromatic Conflict Black versus Interlude Black Iris, and Killian's Angel Sheer versus Brooklyn Fragrance Lover. So from the 5 I listed a while ago, I'm going to leave it in the description as well. Let me know which one you guys want to see first, and I will be dropping that video momentarily, all right? Anyhow, I am glad that you guys stick around with me. Let me know what you think I should do next. So, as always, like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Peace, I am out.